SpongeBob made a small brush out of his own nose hair. Patrick, on the other hand, made a big one. They opened a can of paint, and at that very moment, a drop of paint splashed out. It was a kind of paint that claimed to never fade, and it happened to land on Mr. Krabs' wall full of collectibles. SpongeBob immediately tried every possible way to fix it, but ended up creating a huge paint bubble. He thought things couldn't get any worse, but Patrick didn't think so at all. Patrick also blew a paint bubble. Then, the two bubbles merged into one, turning into a massive super paint bubble. SpongeBob felt the situation was completely out of control, but Patrick still thought the bubble wasn't big enough. He even started inflating it. The bubble grew bigger and bigger until, as expected, it finally popped with a bang. But to their surprise, the entire wall was evenly coated, looking absolutely flawless. SpongeBob had just breathed a sigh of relief when he suddenly noticed a drop of paint had landed on Mr. Krabs' very first dollar. SpongeBob frantically tried to wipe the paint off, but the more he wiped, the worse it got. They desperately tried all kinds of cleaning methods, but nothing worked. Just as SpongeBob was trying to calm himself down, Mr. Krabs' voice suddenly rang out. Moments later, he pushed the door open and walked in. SpongeBob and Patrick froze on the spot, too scared to move. But to their surprise, Mr. Krabs simply stuck out his tongue and licked the dollar. In the next second, the dollar looked as good as new. It turned out that the so-called never-fading paint was just something Mr. Krabs made up to scare SpongeBob and Patrick.